Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Today, I will show you how to install LibreOffice in termux's native desktop. As we all know, termux doesn't natively support LibreOffice and many other applications. In my previous video, I already showed you how to install a native desktop environment in termux with hardware acceleration. Now, in this video, I will show you how to set up a distro container, also known as a prod distro. Using this, we will install other applications and automatically add them to the termux desktop menu, so they can be used just like native termux apps. So, let's get started. In my previous video, there is a part where it asks, do you want to add a distro container? If you type "why" at that time, then this will work, otherwise, it won't. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure to watch it first and then come back here. In my previous video here, you have the choice to select a distro to use as the container. Please note the name of the distro, as it will be needed to log into that distro. Once you've chosen the distro, type its name to log in. Because I chose Debian as the container, I will type Debian to log into it. Type the distro name followed by the update command to update the distro. For example, for Debian, type Debian update. Similarly, to install a package, type Debian install followed by the package name, and to remove a package, type Debian remove followed by the package name. If you install any package using the Debian install command, it will automatically be added to the termux menu, allowing you to launch the app from termux. If the app doesn't appear in the termux menu after installation, just stop termux X11 or VNC and then start it again. This time, the apps should appear. If you don't want to log out from the desktop, you can also restart the panel, which will make the apps appear as well. As you can see, in my case, the apps didn't appear either. To avoid logging out of the desktop, I will restart the XFCE panel using the XFCE4 panel R command. For LXQT, you can use the LXQT panel restart command. As you can see, now the apps have appeared. But they don't follow our system theme. Let's fix that. Now, the apps follow our system theme. You can also launch the apps from the terminal. To do that, type pd run followed by the launch command for that app. Now, let's check if hardware acceleration is working in the container. I will use GL Mark II to verify this. As you can see, it detects our device's GPU. If, by any chance, you want to launch an app without hardware acceleration, you can do that by using pd run, no GPU followed by the launch command for that app. For example, if GL Mark II shows LLVM pipe, that means it's not using the GPU. Now, if you install any app in the distro without using the install command, you can still add it to the termux menu using the Add to Menu option. I will demonstrate this by installing Telegram Desktop. You will find the Add to Menu shortcut on your desktop. Double-click on it and grant it launch permissions. To add an app from the distro to the termux menu, select Add to Termux menu. To remove it, select Remove from Termux menu.